Yo, 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 let's go ahead and solve some leak code questions. All right, today we're going to be doing, let's see. I usually like to read left to right, backtracking. Looks like we already solved. Okay, I want to do only mediums or only easies. Oh, last stone weight right here. Okay, let's go. What is this, a backtracking question? Okay. So you're given an array of integer stones where stone's I represents the weight of the ith stone. Okay, so we're giving a bunch of stones. Okay. We want to run a simulation on the stones as follows. Each step, we choose the two heaviest stones with the weight x and y and smash them together. If x equals y, both stones are destroyed. Visualizing stones being smashed. Okay. If x is greater than y, the stone of the weight x is destroyed and the stone of weight has a new weight. Okay, I see. So we subtract the weight of the smaller of the bigger stone from the stone with greater weight. Okay. Continue the simulation until there's no more than one stone standing. Okay. We continue until there is only one stone left. Return the weight of the last remaining stone or return zero if none remain. Okay, so we see we get the two biggest stones. We got six and four. We smash them together. Okay, let's go. Let's visualize it. So we're given this right here. These are our stones. And now we smash them, right? We smash, smash. Two biggest stones would be six and four. We subtract their weights, we get two. So now we get, hmm, smash six and four, and two is left, so it already becomes that. Okay. Smash six and four, new array would be 2 comma 3 comma 2 comma 2, right? 2 3 2 2 3 2 2, and now we smash the biggest. Smash. See, 3 and 2. 3 and 2, we get 2 and 3 are gone, so I just get 1 comma 2 comma 2. Okay. And we smash 2 at 2, which means 0. Smash 2 with 2, and the answer is just 1. Okay. All right. Let's go ahead and solve this. Let me see if there's any shortcut I could kind of think of. Um, see, we could just do, okay, we could always just get the max length, right? The max, okay. Hmm. Guess we could like pop those two out. See, how do we get pick up six and four from this? I guess we could make a new array every single time. Or we could just order it. We could sort it. That's what I'm thinking. We could use a heap actually. A min heap. Max heap actually. So the biggest numbers are always on top, right? We take off two stones, we smash them together. If the result is greater than one, we add it back to the heap. Yeah. We add it back to the heap, and we do this until the heap is size 0. Okay. We take two, we take biggest two elements from max heap. We subtract them, we smash them. We smash, aka smash, subtract. We smash, we insert whatever is left over back into the heap using, what is that? What was the heap commands again? I know one of them was we're gonna have to use heapify. We're gonna have to use heap heap pop. Is that even heap push is one of them? Heap push, heap push, heap Q pop, heap pop. What the hell? What's going on in my throat? Oh, I feel like I just smoked. Well, I feel like I just smelled some pepper spray. What the heck? Need to blow my nose real quick. What the hell's going on? Okay. Damn, I need some water, bro. I think this will work. Okay, we run it until while heap is size one. Okay. Okay. Run it until okay, wait. First of all, we gotta make a heap. We're given a list of stones, right? Okay, so all right, we gotta import the heap. I think it was heap Q, is that what it was called? Import heap Q, okay. Okay, now we gotta do heap. Heap is how do you even make a heap, bro? Heap Q, heapify? Okay. Heapify. What do we heapify? We heapify stones. It's called a stone heap, right? Okay. And while length of heap or of stone heap is greater than one. We keep on running this algorithm. So we take two biggest integers from the max heap. So we take two. Okay, we take two. Two of the biggest. So we heap pop. Heap. What was it again? Heap. How do you pop? What- Is it this? Something like that. Heap push. Yeah. Heap pop. Name of the heap? Stone heap. Stone one is equal to stone one is equal to stone heap. No. Heap heap q dot heap pop from Stone heap. Okay, that's the first stone. Let's go ahead and give us our second stone. Stone 2 is equal to heap Q, heap pop, stone heap. Okay, so now we got the first two stones from our heap. Okay, now we could just subtract one from the other and get the absolute value. That could work. So I've had 2 minus like 3 and 3 minus 2. It's the same thing, yeah. Leftover stone. Mm. Okay, now I want to put that back in my heap. Push it back into the heap. I'll do heap Q or heap Q dot heap push. The name of my heap is stone heap, and the value will be leftover stone. Oh, but if it's 0, if leftover stone is greater than 0, then I'll do it. Because if it's 0, there's no point of popping 0 to the heap again. Oops. Oops. Okay. There you go. And now, after we do all of that, we're able to just return. Heap should be the size 1, right? Yeah. Return the first element of heap. So that'd be stone heap, probably just 0. All right, and that's an integer. Let's see if this works. And we run to an error. Length stone heap has no length. We can't get the length of a heap. Tell me why this don't work then, bro. Mm. Oh, there you go. Hmm. Stone heap. Index 0 is out of range. Hmm. How's stone heap? How's it out of range if it's 0? Wait, my output was 5. What? You know, how do I specify? Oh shit, I never actually made a what even is the difference? Do you have a command? Ah, there's no built-in max heap. Okay, I never knew that. It's a first. So heap dot heap push max heap negative numbers. Negative numbers. Okay. How do I make all these numbers negative? Okay. Okay. Ah, okay. The gated number. Oh yeah. My God. Ugh. Oh, okay, -5. That's pretty good. Mm. Oh shit. It don't work though. Stone heap 0. What's going on here, bruh? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Not 0. As long as it's not 0, it should work. Oh, but yeah. All right, this should work, right? Not stone heap. Oops. Oh shit, let's go. It was that case. Okay. All right, let's go. Right, well, that's how I solved stone question. Last stone weight. Mm, that was my first attempt. I think the only thing I did wrong is I forgot about the case where if it's like return zero if none remain because I kind of just assumed that something was gonna remain. That's where I messed up right here. Also, I never used a max heat before, so that was my first time using one. I didn't know that you'd have to do it like that. But if I knew both of those already before solving this, I would probably answer it smoothly, a lot smoother. All right, thank you guys for watching. That was my little recap of my first time solving smashing two stones together.